Did you know you can lock folders in Windows? So if there's a folder with confidential information in it that you need to keep secure with a password, there's several ways of doing that. In this video, I'm going to show you the method I use. I've created an empty folder here just to demonstrate. So what most people would do is just right click on, let's say I want to hide this folder. They would just go to more options and then go to properties, advanced, and then choose to encrypt the folder. But all that does is encrypt it so it's not accessible outside of this account. So let's say I were to maybe remove the hard drive or try to access this folder outside of this computer, it would be encrypted and prompt me for the admin password. But that's not very secure, because if my computer were to be hacked, the hacker has access, or whatever malware they've installed gives them access to my whole computer, and I'm already logged in. So that gives them easy access, without having to type in a password. There's a more secure way, which I'm going to show you now. So open the folder that you want to hide, and then right click and open a new text document. I'm just going to call this lock.txt. Now I'm just going to open it and paste this code into here. There will be a link in the description to GitHub where you can find this code, and simply copy it from there. Now you go down to this line, if not %pass %= your password, and here you add your password. Make sure you have a space after the double equals. I'm just going to hit 1 2 3 4 5. Don't ever use that password, it's not secure at all. And then again, make sure you have spaces on both sides. Now I'm just going to save this as a batch file. So I'm just going to change this extension here from txt to bat for batch. And I'm going to change this to all files. Now hit save. Now we can close this text. And now I simply have to double click on this batch file. It'll run and create a private folder. Now I can put whatever I want to hide and lock away into this private folder. Let's say I want to hide this. Just copy it into there. Now it's gone. Now this is still accessible right now. You'll notice it's not password protected, but as soon as I double click on this and enter a capital Y and hit enter to confirm that I want to lock that folder, it's now gone. It's not only locked with a password, it's also hidden. So an intruder, somebody getting access to your computer, would never even find that folder. All they would see is a lock.bat file with nothing else around it. So if you want to now edit whatever you have in there or access it, you just double click, enter your password, and the folder appears, and I can go inside, make my changes, and then as soon as I'm ready to lock it again, I just repeat the same thing, capital Y, enter, and it's gone. A little bit more complicated to set up, but once it is set up, it is very easy and also very secure.